everyone, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you what you can make with our beautiful new Christmas card making kit. It's called Let It Snow. It is a stunning tealy minty green card making kit that Tania Ridgwell has designed for us. They are just gorgeous. It's releasing in August, so get in early to get your Christmas cards being made. Last year the beautiful pink one that we did sold out and we couldn't get it back in. These are the cards you can make. This comes in the kit, so they are actual size images of the cards. So if you take the card here, it is the exact same measurement as the card here, so you can make them exactly the same as Tania. Kaiser Craft have done a beautiful collection. What else is in the kit is some of our bling, some gorgeous collectibles, all shiny. The 6.5 inch paper pad full of gorgeous shininess and beautiful things. Some ribbon for cards, and of course the card and envelope pack. These are on our website now. They are $25. You can pre-order them for them first. They'll be shipping on the 5th of August, the first of our Christmas card making kits. There's one more in September, and then that's it till Christmas. So get in quick, guys. 25 bucks. You are going to want one. See you next time. Bye.